Now that we've installed Dart, the IDE, and the Dart plugin for the IDE, we're going to go ahead and create a project. Make sure that Dart is selected and choose Console Application. Click Next. Enter a name for your project. And hit Finish. Once the IDE is opened up, you'll be presented with some code. Examining this code, there's a lot of things here that don't make any sense if you're new to programming. Let's go ahead and expand this folder. You'll see there's additional subfolders, along with a couple files that are opened. Looking at the folder structure, you'll see that there's an IDEA folder, pub, bin, and lib. IDEA, that's for internal settings for the IDE. Pub, these would be packages and plugins. Bin, this would be your code. You can see there's a main.dart, which is also this file right here. Lib would be libraries and additional code. There's a hello world.dart here. And then there's additional files down here. For example, this pubspec.yaml, this file, which has some project settings in it, along with dependencies. We're going to go ahead and examine the main.dart file. In the main.dart file, you can see that we've got some code, but we have no idea what this code does. Import package hello world / hello world.dart as hello world. Boy, that is confusing. What does that mean? Import simply means we're going to be importing something from another file. In this case, it's a package. The package is hello world / hello world.dart. So we're actually importing a file. Hello world is the name of our program, and we want the hello world.dart file, this guy, in the libs, as a variable called hello world. We're going to cover variables in the next section. Just understand that this whole line means that we are using something else. Here's our main function. This is the starting point of the program. Here's a list of parameters that are given to the program when it starts. These are called arguments. These brackets denote a code block or a section of code. This print statement, this simply does something. This is fairly self-explanatory. It prints onto the screen. In this case, it's going to print hello world plus, we're running some code here, hello world.calculate. Notice how when I click this, this up here is highlighted because that's the variable. Hello world.calculate. .calculate is being called from the hello world file. This may seem very confusing if you're new to programming. Don't worry, we're going to cover all of this. Right now, what we want to do is just delete some of this code and have the bare minimum. Run this. You'll see it says hello world.